Okay guys, welcome back. If you remember from our last tutorial, what we learned to do is drive our robot in a square shape using a set of instructions, and one of the challenges was to get your robot to do this with less instructions. As you can see on my code here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different blocks used. So today we're going to learn to use loops. This should hopefully reduce the amount of code that you've got and make it more efficient, and also save you a lot of time on the way. So it's a very clever thing to use. Now I'm going to close the simulator, and what I'm going to do is slowly drag some of this code into the trash can at the bottom of the window. Notice when I select the code, if I hold it down from the topmost block, it will select it as a set of instructions. Now what I want to do is create a loop, which is a repetition of instructions, and I'm going to click on the control options. You can see here there are lots of different types of loops and control options. We're going to choose repeat 10 times, but obviously we don't want it to do it 10 times, so we're going to change that number first of all to 4, because obviously the square has a four-sided shape. And now we're going to click in drive from the actions, change the parameters to 50 centimeters, and turn right by 90 degrees. So just to check, we're going to repeat this 4 times. We're going to drive forwards, turn right, drive forwards, turn right, drive forwards, turn right, drive forward, and then turn right. And as you can see, there's a lot less code in there than we originally had. So let's open the simulator and check it out. And bingo, there you have it. That's executing a loop instruction with our simulator. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hope you enjoyed that. Try it out and see what other shapes you can create. Can you do a pentagon? And can you do a hexagon? Try that out on your own. Thanks guys. Bye bye for now.